every one person getting a visa in a family, they bring all their families. So that process is going to be changing. And I want to advise, the UK government is using Nigerian people that are moving here. They're making loads of money from them. Just imagine if a student is studying a master program.
Japa of 18, Japa out of Nigeria. My people, you know say I first drop video about Japa when Dainakwe make do. Then this our uncle is still come aside. He don't who they do YouTube now. May una go follow in YouTube because things when they talk for there, they make sense. If you dey Africa, you dey Nigeria, or you get brother or cousin or uncles when they want Japa from Nigeria. This man China may una try to dey follow, and a person when dey inside river. Now I go tell una say, my people, this river, this place, it deep well, oh. If you not sabi swim, no come here, oh. Dey that place, here deep well. You now understand? Now person when they inside the river, now I go tell una say, see as it deep. Now I go tell una my people, the reason why I bring this video come out, this man, he dey UK. He dey live for UK for long. Then he say about our country, our Nigeria people. He love his country, love his people. You know, no matter what, you know, if you see your person for street, he dey suffer. And this person, you know, say he dey do well for his country, for our Nigeria before. He dey pay tax, he dey do well. His children, they go the best school for Nigeria. Children, all of them, they do well. Imagine you just meet them under tree, they never eat, they look for food. Person when they feed. See this our brother talk now. Now wetin I still talk say UK they make money out of Nigeria. May una listen again, no. They will never give you something for free. Those people. I don't want to mention because the first video when I do all those things, they measure and they know they blast. I don't notice them. They know blast them. Or YouTube they blast my video. As you tell they blast others, still blast all those my video so that may get to my Nigeria people. My Nigeria people may get to them. It's Nigeria. What I first talk say UK they make money from Nigeria. Now they don't find out say if they give one person visa for Nigeria, they go pack all family. Now they want to change them and go to another method. My people, my country people, my Nigeria people. I know say our country is hard now. I know say things not easy. But if you get good job, you they feed your family, they feed your children, in fact, you get your own house where you stay there. Nothing like your home, nothing like your country. No people like us when Japa with a red eye. No look me say I dare Europe. Then we want with there Europe, we no want tell una wetin we dey pass through. Now the picture and the thing now una they see. So far there Europe, mostly that UK when I see they go so Japa say wetin this our uncle say he say they go pay money to landlord. He say if they reach the UK, say they go frustrate them. Oyibo money, no be no be Naija. Oyibo man have been a Naija person. Oyibo land, they go pay money give them, say they will go give them one kiosk. Family when they do well for it go break hearts now. UK they use us, they make money put for pocket. They don't even care about they don't even care about the human being. It just they pay me when this our uncle. No be saying na me, but the thing they in fact it break my heart. It they scatter my bone marrow. It they in fact. May una follow this man. May una go watch a video. Please and please. If you want come out, say you want Japa because of children. I hear, but do your investigation. Europe is hard. Abroad hard. Abroad, they say if they ever give visa, some work still when they go where they no still give you. Some work there when you know fee work. You they see my people, and they see say many home that they divorce. That they scatter because of the depression. Europe. Hey. They say that they scatter husband and wife when they do well for Nigeria, when they love themselves. They'll reach UK finish, they scatter, they'll divorce. I beg. If they call UK, press UK, what is something, the Nigerian UK something. Say may they look into it. That's why I still talk. Me, I even say lawyer, doctor. And thank God now say may una settle down, watch the video so that may una know wetin this our uncle try to talk. If you not get in YouTube, please follow am for YouTube. If you be person want Japa for Nigeria, you want Japa for any Africa country, try to they follow this man. He say they feed Nigeria people when they come. person when they do well for a country before. My people, may I live the thing they pay me, oh, the thing they because the suffer. If you don't fetch chop suffer before, you they see your person when they do well, you want come chop suffer, it they pay. Because if you dey our country sweet, oh, Nigeria sweet. Nigeria is the sweetest country. Yes, if everything dey alright, Nigeria is the sweetest country. No place like home. I'll leave una make una watch the man video.
Hello, good day. Hello, my fellow Nigerians in Yorkshire, Nigerians in the UK, Nigerians back home in Nigeria. My name is Mr. J. Skolawole. I'm the founder and the president of the Nigerian Yorkshire Community Network, UKCIC in diaspora, in the UK diaspora. And I really want to talk a bit about some of the projects that they're talking about, Japa projects in Nigeria. You see, we get involved with Nigerians coming from home into the UK, and we help people with food, jobs, and accommodations, free food, jobs, and accommodation. And we're helping lots of Nigerians that are coming to the UK at the moment in Yorkshire. That is Nigerian student families, Nigerian families, and businesses. But a lot of Nigerians are leaving Nigeria, and this is a kind of a warning, and at the same time, an advice. We have a lot of Nigerian families that are leaving the country, and to the extent that it has caused breakage in marriages. It has caused a lot of Nigerian families who have got a very good job in Nigeria, but I know that some of them, which I've spoken to, they are moving to this country because they want a better life for their children, which is reasonable. But what happened is that what we have noticed is that a lot of Nigerians, our people, are not prepared. And what does that mean? We have been heavily involved for the past 1 year with Nigerians coming from home, with helping them with free food, with free accommodations, and etc. And a lot of Nigerians, they leave Nigeria, they sell their property, they sell their cars, they bring all their family. So if I give you an example of a family of 5, husband and wife and 3 kids, they live in a very good home, they have a very good job back in Nigeria, but all because of this Japa project, as you know that the UK government is now giving Nigerians in a big way, just to compensate for Brexit, student visa, which is a tier 4 visa. So what that means is that if the wife or the husband is a student, the UK government will give a visa to everybody, and it will give a work visa system. So a lot of Nigerians are moving in. There is a survey, a couple of months ago that the UK government has now realized that every one person getting a visa in a family, they bring all their families. So that process is going to be changing. And I want to advise our fellow Nigerians back home, this Japa project, please and please, you need to make sure you're well prepared. Think before you move back before you leave the country with your family, because a lot of people that are moving here, they're finding it difficult even to get a proper accommodation. Nigerians that live in a very good home in Nigeria, once they get here, they live. Just imagine 5 families will be living in a 2-bedroom, in a 1.5 bedroom. And I'm telling you this because I'm the president myself and my executive have been dealing with Nigerians that are arriving. We have lots of intake of Nigerians in September, and we're going to be having some in January. So going to 2023, 2024, and etc., Nigerians are moving to UK, they are moving to the diaspora, but they don't know what they're getting themselves involved with. Family will come here, they will sell all their house, they will even use their house as a collateral to collect money. Even if you have 5, 10 million, 20 million, 30 million, it's not enough by the time you convert it to UK currency. So the Nigerian Yorkshire Community Network, our organization in diaspora in the UK, in Leeds, West Yorkshire, we are advising Nigerian families, because we realize that even Nigerian families of 5, they have a job, or they have a qualification, they have a good job in Nigeria. They will apply for that student tier 4 visa, all because they want to just get a visa and move their family. I really do understand that they want a better life for their children, And for me, at this point, I'm not going to say
voice.
they should stop
Remind me
coming,
of 2.
because people will start saying that Shebi, you or A or B, Shebi, you live in the same country. It's not the same. It's not the same, because before Nigerians moved to this country, which is fine. But now, all because UK government is trying to make money. The UK government is using Nigerian people that are moving here. They're making loads of money from them. Just imagine if a student is studying a master program, they get charged 14,000, 17,000. A PhD program, they get charged 45,000, 65,000. But Nigerians will move their family to this area, and I understand, because here there is better care for children, there is better care for all of them, but they will struggle. Someone that is having a director post in Nigeria, once you come here, you go down, you'll be doing support work. You're only allowed to do support work And what that means is a support work, which is taking care of elderly people at home. And how much do you get paid? They don't get paid more than £9 and £10, at most £15. And even if they pay you £15 an hour, by the time you do 10-hour shift, almost 1/3 of that money is taken by tax, or 1/4. You pay to £700 to £800 per month. If you're talking about London, it's a lot of money. So the website is www.nycn.org.uk. You can give us a call, the Nigerian Yorkshire Community Network, UKCIC. Go on the website, go on our Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, and you can send us a message. We can advise you before you come. And the reason why we're giving this warning message is basically that we're trying to inform and we try to appeal to the Nigerian High Commission in London. Please, we need to put notifications for Nigerians that are coming to this country. We want the NIDOM, Abike Dabiri, who's the CEO of the Nigerians in diaspora. She should be doing this job and making sure that all these informations are there at the Nigerian High Commission. The Nigerian High Commission London should be able to please help us to communicate this to Nigerians that are coming to this country. The Nigerian government should be able to please help us communicate this to Nigerians that are coming to this country. The Ministry of Information, should be able to communicate this to Nigerians, because Nigerians that are coming to this country under the Japa project, which the so-called Japa project, they don't know what they're getting themselves involved with. We see Nigerians, they come to this country, they get ripped off, or because they're desperate, they will go and make a payment ahead to a landlord. A landlord will take away that money. The way they will treat them, if you see the house that Nigerians are kept when they come to this country, you can't even use it for your store in Nigeria. So I urge and I appeal to that can help you for the next 3 months or 6 months before you get a job. Everything is not free here, And now you that you're coming with 3 kids, remember that you cannot get house help here. So the husband or the wife have to make sure they sacrifice themselves to make sure they look after all those children, taking them to school and picking them at the right time. If you don't do that, the teachers and they will report you to Social Security and the police. And we've seen a lot of Nigerian men and women, they're breaking up their marriage, they're carrying their children, all because without having an agreement with their husband, etc. Or maybe the husband is not having an agreement with the wife. It's not fair. As a Christian, as a Muslim, or whatever, all because you're traveling to a country that you're going to suffer. You're going to work yourself out. And students that are moving down to this country, they're only allowed to do 20 hours a week.
We don't cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo.